So how to see all saved password on your iPhone? I'm using the latest iOS 18 and 16 Pro as well, but it's available for all phone who is update with latest iOS 18. Go to your setting. If you go to general about, then you say I am using the latest iOS 18.0. Then just looking the password apps, PAOS, sorry. Then you see this icon, just unlock it with your face. Now you're able to see all of your password, Wi-Fi, codes, security, all. If you press on all, then you're able to see all of your password as well. Now suppose I want to check my Binance, then press on Binance and password section. If you press on this, then your password will be visible like that. So thank you, have a good day.